show you about how to cut jackfruit, you know how to cut it and also my eating. So do you know about this fruit, everyone? It is a kind of fruit that we can eat. We call jackfruit, everyone. So let me cut it and then eat it too. I take this one to cut like this. Wow. Wow, everyone! It looks like so yummy. Wow. Look at this, everyone. It looks like so yummy. So let me eat and tell all of you about its taste too. We do like this on jackfruit, everyone, to be easy to eat. We take it to get out. Everyone, it looks like so yummy. So now I can't wait anymore. So let me test and tell you guys about its taste too. It's really sweet, everyone. So good of its taste. Wow. Good. Everyone, this is the countryside lifestyle. It have a lot of fruit to eat like this. And this fruit I got it from my farm, everyone. We don't need to spend money to buy it, but we have fruit to eat. Because of the countryside, it's easy to eat, easy to find food, easy to find fruit, and easy to live too. Especially, wow, it's so fresh air like this. You can listen the sound of birds. Wow, it really naturally. It with me, everyone. The best. Everyone, have you ever eaten this fruit? For me, it is a third time for me, but this is the time that really yummy the most. We take this one, get out. Wow, it's so sweet, everyone. We can eat it instead of the sweet. You know, this fruit, it can help our health to be good and to be healthy too. Jump and jumping, everyone. Good taste. Everyone, eat with me. Are you hungry, everyone? I think you are hungry when you look at this fruit because of it look like so yummy, and it tastes so yummy too. So now I think I cannot eat anymore because of I'm enough of my eating right now. So let me say goodbye, everyone. See you for the next video, and don't forget watch me for the next video. I promise that I will find a good fruit, the new recipe of cooking, and also the new landscape like this to show you more for the next video. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, and thank you for watching my video too.